Hi, I'm Holly from Spend with Pennies and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making one of my favorite dishes. This is a crock pot mac and cheese recipe. It's so easy to make. It's great for a crowd. It's perfect for camping or potlucks where you don't have access to a kitchen. So let's get started. So you're going to want to salt your water. And we're going to start with 2 cups of elbow macaroni. This is measured in a measuring cup dry. You're going to cook your macaroni al dente. You still want it really firm because it's going to cook a little bit more in the crock pot. Okay, so we've cooked the macaroni and I've rinsed it under cold water to stop it from cooking further, and we're just going to add that into the crock pot. I'm going to add cheddar cheese. A sharp cheddar gives a better cheddar flavor. A little bit of mayonnaise. A little bit of sour cream. Cream of chicken soup. And some seasonings. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Half a teaspoon of dry mustard. And salt and pepper. And a little bit of Gruyere cheese, which is a light Swiss cheese. You can use just cheddar if you prefer. Okay, so now we've got all of our cheeses and our sauce added to the crock pot. We're gonna just give that a stir. And then we're gonna put the lid on and let the crock pot do all of the work. So we're gonna set this to cook on high for about 2 hours or on low for about 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so this mac and cheese has been cooking for a couple of hours. It smells so good. It is creamy and delicious and ready to serve. The perfect slow cooker mac and cheese recipe. Find this recipe and more at spendwithpennies.com.